Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. In this video we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful textured stitch, the single crochet and double crochet griddle stitch. This is a very good textured stitch and works up very quickly. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, please do not forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram to get more updates. So this is the stitch that we are going to work today. This is a single crochet and double crochet griddle stitch. It's a very good textured stitch and it works up quickly too. So let's see how to crochet this griddle stitch. So to start with, I'm working a slip knot and I will crochet even number of chains. For this sample swatch, I am working 22 chains. So once I'm done with 22 chains, I will work a single crochet on the second chain from the hook, and on the next chain I will work a double crochet, and in the next chain I will work a single crochet, and in the next chain I will work a double crochet. So I'm going to alternate between single crochet and double crochet till the end, and the ending stitch would always be a single crochet. So keep working like this till the end. So I'm done with my row 2. Let's proceed with row 3. For that I'm going to chain 1, turn my work, and then I will work one single crochet on top of my previous row single crochet, and I will work one double crochet on top of my previous row's double crochet, and then I'm going to work one single crochet on top of my previous row's single crochet, and one double crochet on top of my previous row's double crochet. So we are going to work one single crochet always on top of our previous row's single crochet and one double crochet on top of our previous row's double crochet, and our row will end with single crochet, and then I will work a chain 1 turn, and from row 4 to whatever rows you are going to work, we are just going to repeat row 2. That is, we'll chain 1 turn, work one single crochet on top of our previous row's single crochet, and work one double crochet on top of our previous row's double crochet, and the row always starts and ends with a single crochet. So keep proceeding like this till the rows that you prefer. This is how my stitch looks after a couple of rows. Look at the texture, and it's a very ideal stitch for a baby blankets. If you want any stitch that works up so quickly, this is an ideal stitch, and you can also use this stitch for working dishcloths or pot holders. So I've done a sample stitch with black using this stitch, and since it will not be very clear, so I've used a different color yarn to show you this. So try the stitch at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.